Welcome to Bilex 7. Situated on the shores of Lake Como, the 18th century octagonal villa stands as a timeless testament to architectural elegance, its walls extending right down to the water's edge. With 180-degree panoramic views from east to west, the villa enjoys year-round sunshine, its reflections dancing on the tranquil lake. Once untouched for centuries, the villa underwent a conventional renovation in 2019, and now a second renovation has reimagined the villa as a home for a modern family of 5. The transformation sought to harmonize the villa's historic charm with contemporary elements, creating a dynamic dialogue between past and present. Inside, the restoration celebrates the villa's history by preserving its surfaces, built-in furniture and functional objects, all united by a monochromatic paint scheme. Each room tells a story through its glossy finishes, which highlight the irregularities and wear of centuries gone by. The family room, designed with versatility in mind, serves as both a warm gathering space and an elegant living room. Bathed in natural light from its lakeside orientation, the walls are painted in soft, reflective hues that amplify the light and reflect the rippling surface of the lake on the ceiling. Comfortable, understated furnishings create an inviting atmosphere, with a modular sofa that can easily be converted into a sleeping area for guests. As one moves further into the house, rooms on opposite sides take on deeper blues and browns, offering an intimate and contemplative retreat that feels cool even in the summer heat. As one moves further into the home, the rooms on the opposite side turn into deeper blues and browns, offering intimate, contemplative retreats that feel cool even in the heat of summer. Intentional contrasts in the colorful color schemes. Each room has a meaning for its occupants. The exterior of the villa has been refined with great refinement, retaining the original facade colors while adding harmonious accents such as green shutters and matching awnings. The surrounding gardens have undergone a complete redesign, balancing elements of existing charm with modern enhancements. A regional greenish stone pool with spacious seating area invites relaxation, while a striking Tony Mattelli sculpture anchors the opposite side of the villa. Along the shoreline, the villa's connection to the lake has been revitalized. A new dock accommodates larger boats, complementing the historic boathouse beneath the house. grotto has been expanded to include a cave-like shower and a fountain adorned with water lilies and fish. The refurbished villa offers a seamless blend of history and modernity, inviting its inhabitants to enjoy a lifestyle of elegance and connection with nature. The lush planting of evergreen shrubs, fruit trees, banana plants, and vines strengthens the connection between the house and the garden, promising a green embrace for years to come.